GG0962S Sunglasses GREN by Gucci Eyewear Sunglasses. The color 1, size 54, the square shape, 54mm wide lens, 24mm lens bridge, length of arm 145mm, 100% UV defense, non-polarized, acetate is used for frames, multicolored frames, green gradient lenses, code UPC, EAN, 889,652,093,345, Gucci GG0962S 154 green gradient square sunglasses, frame composition, metal and plastic clear, green, and red temple frame colors, green and gold lens green gradient as a treatment 2 years from the date of purchase, the seller's warranty is valid. This excludes any flaw that the manufacturer would not be responsible for. Moreover, a timepiece that malfunctions or ceases working is included in this. We don't provide a warranty for harm that arise from normal wear and tear, broken crystals, dents, scratches, any cosmetic damage, or breaking that happens after the watch is received are not covered by our warranty.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.